Hello everyone, I'm Binxu Wang. I'm excited to show you my project, GPT Auto Data Analyst. I believe most of us have tried the code interpreters of ChatGPTs. This agent can autonomously write, execute, and debug code in a closed loop, and it can explore data by natural languages. This has revolutionized data analyst. However, it still has many limitations. This online version has limited runtime and compute resources like no GPU support, and it has challenges in handling large and complex local datasets because we cannot even upload that to OpenAI. And there are certain Python packages being enabled from online environments, and there's also no vision capabilities to interpret the generated figures. Finally, the output is not organized. It's hard to put them into a report. To tackle this, we introduce the GPT Auto Data Analyst, which aims to automating local data analysis with a team of LLM agents. It has certain features. First of all, the code is executed in a local environment, which has full access to all your local data, and we build a supervisor agent guiding the analysis process. Also, the coding agent has vision capabilities for figure interpretations, and in the end, they will organize their output in a Jupyter Notebook, PDF, or HTML formats. So now let me show you our system in action. To install the systems, you can simply git clone our repo and pip install the GitHub repo, just like this. I have installed it in this Colab notebook. And you need to set up your OpenAI API key like this. So now I'm going to show you one demo data analysis for diabetes datasets from Kaggle. Here's a link. In these datasets, we have a short description of the datasets, and we have a description of the columns in these datasets. We download this, and we have provided in our repo for our demonstration purposes. So these are the table description and column descriptions. And our task for this agent is to perform explorative data analysis of datasets. And we provide the path to our CSV file, which is this datasets. Now we can let it run. First, we'll set up a tabular data analysis pipeline. And then we will tell the supervisor agents our overall objectives, and then it will specify the more detailed objectives. Here, I set the maximum round to be 2 rounds to save time and money, but virtually we will try 30 rounds iterations. As you can see, in the supervisor agents provides a detailed guidelines for questions that could be answered by the datasets. And then the analysis agents will start analyzing it by providing code and then potentially plotting the figures for these datasets. Then this will send to the visual analyst to interpret the figures. And this process will going on, and in the end, now it finished in a minute, and the whole process is summarized in a PDF and HTML file. Here I'm showing you a report generated locally by our agents, And with access to the text packages, it's able to compile the Jupyter Notebook into a PDF file like this. So this will be the final reports provided by our assistant. As you can see, all the sentences marked by assistant are generated by the agents. And it will list the questions, the guidelines, and then it will conduct the analysis iteratively using code and visualizations. As you can see, it's able to generate this really long and comprehensive analysis of this diabetes datasets, including explorative analysis and also predictive analysis of some variables. So how does it work? We have two agents. One is called Research Supervisor and one is called Research Assistant. We want to guide the data analysis with the supervisor agent. We will send the background informations, description of data structures, and high-level objectives to the supervisor, who will send instructions of specific step-by-step objective for data analysis to the assistant. Then the assistant will produce the analysis and produce the reports notebook back to the supervisors. And we can read the report notebooks to find the statistics and figures to support their claims and find potential interpretation of the data. On the micro scale, the research assistant will generate code, execute code in local kernels to extract information from data. Then they will generate figure and statistic, and then using the Vision API to interpret the figures and stats into text. This will becomes a loop for autonomous data analysis. So this is our system, GPT Auto Data Analysis.